Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're joining us for the first time, my name is Empress Blessing Bassey. So today we'll be making this special club sandwich. Guys, this is super easy and this is delicious, trust me. So you don't really need much like that. All you need is your boiled egg, your green bell pepper, your carrots, your cucumber, your spring onions, and just sardine. That is all you need. So now I'm going to just peel the boiled egg. So you're going to peel the boiled egg. After peeling it, you're going to wash it, and then you're going to cut it, like you're going to dice the boiled egg. So that is what we are going to do. I've already prepped the other ingredients, so sorry I didn't show you that part, but I've prepped the other ingredients, and now I'm just going to do the boiled egg. So when you're done prepping all your ingredients, you get a plate or a bowl, and now you're going to add all your prepped ingredients to that bowl. So I started by adding my green bell pepper, then I went in with my spring onions, then I went in with my carrots, and lastly I went in with my cucumber. So after that I added my boiled egg that was nicely cut and diced. So I'm going to add everything together, and then the next thing to do is to add your mayonnaise to it. So yeah, I'm adding mayonnaise to it. So you just add mayonnaise to it, and then you mix everything together. So after that you're going to add sugar, but the sugar is actually optional. So you can just do mayonnaise and that's all. The sugar is optional. So I added sugar to my own, then I mixed everything together. After this, you're going to set this aside while we prep the other ingredients also. So yeah, when we're done with our veggies and boiled egg, next we are going to open our sardine. So I used just, let me say, half, because I wasn't doing much. So it depends on the quantity you're doing actually. So you can use the oil, but me no, I didn't use the oil. So you're just going to get your sardine, add your sardine to a bowl or a plate or a container, any of the above, and then you're just going to mash the sardine in that bowl or plate or whatever you use. So now you can add mayonnaise to it, or you can add butter to it, anyone you're comfortable with. I added mayonnaise to my own, just little. So I added mayonnaise to my sardine and I mixed everything together. So now that we have our sardine ready and we have our veggies ready, the next step we are going to go into, or the next thing we are going to do, is to get our bread ready also. Please, if you've gotten to this place, do not forget to like, and if you've not subscribed, feel free to subscribe and join the family. Like, you're welcome. You can feel free to check our channel for other interesting contents also. We love and appreciate you. Thanks for coming. So now we're going to get our bread, and then you remove the sides of your bread. Just remove the four sides of your bread. It is just the middle we need. So you can see as I am gently removing the sides of the bread. So after that, now that we have our veggies ready, our sardine ready, and our bread ready, now everything is done. We're just going to go into the main business actually. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Guys, this is very delicious. Like, you need to try this. You seriously need to try this. Try it and come back to let me know if you found it delicious also, or if not, just make sure to follow my recipe. So now you're going to get your bread, and you're going to first spread your mixed veggies on the first bread. So the first bread, you're spreading your mixed veggies. So you're going to carefully spread this everywhere. Make sure it gets to, if possible, everywhere actually. So now when you're done with that, next you get another bread, and for the second bread you'll be spreading your sardine, your mixed sardine there. So you're just going to gently and carefully spread your sardine just like you did with the veggies. So you're just going to spread everything, spread it nicely and carefully. After that, you're going to place this bread on top of the first bread. So that's 2 layers. So you're placing this one on top of the first bread, and after that you're going to get another bread again. So let me follow the video so I am not faster than the video. So now for the other bread, you're going to add your veggies again. You're adding your mixed veggies to the bread. So first bread veggies, second bread mixed sardine, now last bread again veggies. No, this is not the last bread actually. So you're going to spread it like you did the first time, carefully, gently, and make sure it goes round if possible. So after this, you're going to cover the bread with another bread. So that is all. So you have the first veggies, second sardine, third veggies, then the last one you just use it to like cover the bread. So now that we've gotten to that part, next part is to cut. So yeah, I had to like use that transparent nylon to cover the bread so that I'll be able to like cut the bread without the bread scattering. So yeah, you cover the bread now, and then if you can cut like this, fine, go ahead and cut like this. But if you can't, just do this like me. Just use this type of nylon to just cover the bread, and then you just cut the bread. After cutting, then you can tear the nylon off the bread. So it is this easy. So like I said, do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and please, if you've not subscribed, please do not forget to like subscribe. So yeah, this is how we made that delicious, fine, special club bread you're seeing. So imagine having visitors in your house and you present this. It is delicious, it is presentable, and trust me, they will love it. So after carefully wrapping the bread, you're just going to cut the bread. So you can cut the bread into 4 if you want. You can cut the bread like I did. Actually, just do the X sign on the bread, or the no, that's not star, yeah, X sign on the bread. So now that we are done cutting our bread, you're just going to arrange the bread beautifully and gently on a plate or anything you want to put it. You can also wrap this and keep till whenever you feel like eating it. So as you can see, this is simple, very easy to make, very presentable, and very delicious. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section. I will be waiting for what you think about this in the comment section. And please, if you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, please do not forget to share this video with your friends so that they too can learn 1 or 2 from this video. So guys, how do you see our club sandwich? Like, is this presentable enough? Like, what do you think? Looking at it alone, I'm hungry. So let me know what you think. So thanks for watching. Really love and appreciate you for opening our channel, the new viewers, the old viewers. Thanks for actually checking out our channel. We love and appreciate you. Feel free to go through our channel. We have interesting contents, like so many. We have DIYs, we have hacks, We have how to do so many things. We have so many things you can learn from. We have games and all of that. Also, you get to meet Brownie, my cat. So feel free to like go through our channel, and if there's something you want that is not there, let us know. If it is something we can do, we promise to deliver. So let us know. Thank you. If you can't reach out to us in the comment section, use my email. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.